Health benefits: put sliced onion on your foot overnight. Onion is one of the must-have garnishing ingredients in every kitchen. Well, onions are not just flavor enhancers for your culinary delights, these also help to cure several diseases as well. Well, don't be surprised, you heard it right. It is a fact that has been proved by several studies conducted all over the world. The pungent smell that onions emit might not be too appealing for all, but once you learn the health benefits that come along with it, probably you will ignore the smell and take it up for its benefits. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds and are well known for antibacterial, antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. It is for these medicinal properties onions are being used since ancient times to heal a lot of infections. All that one needs to do is take a sliced onion and place it at the bottom of the foot overnight using socks. Or if one wants to make sure that it does not move around while you are asleep, it can be wrapped around using a plastic before wearing socks. It is safe to be used in children as well. It is a recorded fact that this method was widely used during the spread of plague in England to prevent toxic poisoning. Take a look these health benefits: put sliced onion on your foot overnight. 1. Helps cure colds. If you have been suffering from bad cold, then this method will be useful. Take a slice of onion, put it on your foot using socks, keep it overnight. This helps cure cold instantly. 2. Earache. If you are suffering from earache, then putting a slice of onion at the bottom of your foot overnight helps in providing relief. 3. Helps to get rid of toxins from the body. Placing onion slices on the bottom of the foot helps in absorbing the toxins from the body and aids in taking off the stomach acids and provides relief. 4. Cures swollen glands. When you have swollen glands, make it a point to use this onion therapy. Put a slice of onion on the foot overnight and you will see how it cures the swollen glands.